Dylan's car's a bit broke. Just like, as soon as you lost it, oh, so good. The cylinder was down, so that makes sense. Turbo line. Oh, yeah. Oh mate, you gotta watch that wood. Oh, bad fab. So, yeah, what have you got there? Fuel pump. 7 PSI fuel pump. Yeah, off the old Dick Smiths. Yeah. How much was it? Like $25 or something, yeah. I don't even think that. Like 21 or something weird. Yeah. You can come with like... Is that a filter? Filter, yeah. Inline filter, all the nuts and bolts you'll need. And like 2-inch long lengths of hose for whatever reason. Some weird reason, yeah. So yeah, we're going to put this in instead of the one that's in there. And because we never see any more than 7 PSI of boost. I believe we're blowing the bowl dry too, because as soon as you hit that 6-7 PSI, the whole car shuts down, goes back to idle, you got to give it a second. Yeah. Then it comes back to life, and away you go again, until it blows the bowl dry. So, hopefully we can force some fuel in there. Yeah, force it to keep some fuel in there for longer with this bad boy. But we were thinking, is this just going to flood the car? Because is it just going to keep forcing fuel into the carburetor? And we don't have a return. Yeah. So, not ideal. We're going to see how this goes. One way to find out. Yeah, let's just plug it in and see what it does. Plug it in, turn it on, see if it floods itself. Yeah. Fuel pump's all somewhat plumbed up. In line. Nice little loop-de-loop. It's wired up, so Dylan just has to touch those onto the terminal. Okay, which one's which? Because I don't know. That one's obviously, the shorter one's positive because it doesn't reach negative. Yep. Sweet, that's a good one. So in theory, I can just go like this and it should... Oh, it's going. It's going. Well, I'm just going to take the carby head off and look down the jets to see if... You're like spraying out there. It's spraying out. So I'll do that real quick. Come on there, little... oh, I see you. No, that's important. Stay. Okay, so if you look down there... Can I turn the torch on somehow? No. Okay. Well, one's the main and what one's the... I think the main's this one's. Second smaller one's that, okay. I believe. Nothing yet. Nothing yet. Interesting. Not that I can see this other one very well. Here we go. Give it a whack. See what happens. Open up the door. Oh! Where'd that come from? Yep, she's yeah, bro. Oh, yeah. She's a jetting. Let's see what happens. Sweet. That's pretty good. Yeah. I mean, worst that's going to happen is just going to start blowing it out of the breather. Yeah. Which is... Got plugged. Is that the breather? It is, eh? Yeah. So yeah. Worst case scenario, Bob, we'll bring all the tools with us to get it back. Yeah. Yeah, and we had a little bit of a thought just before, while we were doing it. What if we put the fuel pump before the old one?
I don't think, well, we don't think it'll work, but it might.
Just throwing ideas around.
Yeah. So yeah. Well, the next step
is for a drive. Yeah. Last drive, hopefully.
Last drive.
I want to pull this motor out ASAP.
Yeah. Not last drive with Corolla, last drive with. So yeah. Oh. Let's take it for a drive.
Yeah.
Me. Got a good connection. Oh yeah. Sweet. Start her up. I love how it looks like it's already going. Oh, stop. Oh, yeah, no, you're good. It was an old fuel pump, still had a lot of fuel in it. And it started spraying. I was like, oh, no!
So quiet.
Yeah, it just sprayed a shitload of fuel down on the firewall and
Run the exhaust.
yeah. Definitely has an exhaust leak.
You can see it right there. And probably.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I was going to say I can hear one down here. Hello. Is the choke on?
Yeah.
No, yeah.
Not clean.
Isn't how quiet it is now? Bro, it actually like puffs out the exhaust when you give it a rev, bro.
Well, there's boost coming out too, I suppose.
Yeah, like, yeah, it fucking, it hisses.
Yeah.
Mean. Mean. Sweet. It's driving nicely so far.
Yeah, I was expecting it to be like running rich and like forcing it to be rich.
Yeah, or like maybe like a bit lean because it's got no fuel.
Nah. Probably should have put fuel in it, to be honest.
Probably. Oh, bro, that goes way harder.
Oh, that felt clean too, no breakup. Yeah.
Oh, hold an idle, nicely.
We learned from last time. Check before it's on fire.
Yeah, yeah, before it's on fire.
Oh, that'll be why.
Ah,
That's currently under its own power.
sweet.
Okay, now the fuel pump's back on.
Yeah.
Now we'll have more boost. All in all, pretty solid.
Yeah. I mean, it's still making boost, so.
Yeah.
Maybe we just made that.
That
The
leak.
leak's a little bit bigger.
Yeah.
Might be just losing exhaust somewhere.
Yeah, probably.
Oh, sweet.
Yeah.
I mean, it works.
It works pretty good all in all. Just needs an intercooler so it doesn't overheat.
Oh, I hear sirens. So.
Yeah.
Hey.
Ah, this could be good.
Sweet.
Just keep it rolling.
Was that like a?
Yeah.
Was that fuel or was that
I
a?
think that's fuel because last time when we didn't have fuel, it actually drove its way up to 100 or 10 km.
Oh, 10 k's an hour. Oh shit.
So that's 85.
8.5. Yeah.
Hiccup.
Ah, yeah. Maybe fuel.
I'd say so.
That maybe that little fuel pump's not keeping up in the higher RPM range.
Yeah.
But we just sat still. We just sat still for like a solid like 30 seconds. It should have definitely filled the bowl back up again. Do you feel like it's running better with this electric fuel pump than with the mechanical one?
Yeah, definitely. Other than that little hiccup, there's no the whole way through the rev brake.
Yeah, true. Oh, sweet.
But it's definitely running the best it ever has.
Being in it, it is definitely like I'm saying like it's definitely running way better than we've ever had it running before.
Do you want to?
Oh, I mean, yeah. Quick little boost.
Yeah, the clutch in this is fucking weird, eh?
It's an on-off switch, that's for sure. All the good sounds. Yeah. Roll a rev match. Look at those happy feet.
Fucking sledgy.
Oh yeah, bro.
I feel like the wheel's getting caught on itself. Like on the side of the thing, or my boots are just too big.
I'd say your boots are a bit bigger than the old Japanese feet. You're only getting 2 pounds of boost, eh?
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, let me step. That's why I put it.
Maybe in first gear around this corner. I don't know if that little terminal's come off again for you.
Oh, yeah.
K9 unit.
What do we get?
I only really like 3. I think something's going on.
Yeah, that's what I was doing to you before.
Yeah. Damn terminal.
It's like true, eh?
Yep.
Fuck, this thing's sledgy.
Yeah, bro, it just wants to push over that wheel. I think it's because they're flat
Oh.
as fuck. Still makes the right noises, but not the right amount of pounds.
No. Yeah, I wonder if it's not making as much boost because it's... Oh, it's not
Oh.
hot though. No, I reckon it's that exhaust leak.
Yeah, true.
It's gotten worse.
That was pretty big. Oh, that's a good little drive.
Let the turbo cool down.
Cool down, yeah, because that's going to be on, what, the Scudo next?
I don't know. Or is it going to go on the Hayabusa?
Either.
Yeah.
I ain't fuss. She's still healthy.
What is that noise?
As I say that. Sounds like compression coming from somewhere.
It's that fuel pump. Oh, it's your old fuel pump.
Oh, just sucking air.
Yeah, put your finger over it and it stops. Finger over it.
It's just running dry.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it running dry. It's like wearing itself out because it's hot, not getting
Oh, I
cooled by
need
the
some
fuel.
lube, yeah. Oh well. You've done us well, you mighty Tui.
I mean,
I'm excited to see it go though.
I reckon we don't get rid of it. We keep it.
Bro, it's a small motor. I was thinking how funny would it be this in the back like a go-kart.
Yeah.
Running like 1-to-1 ratio.
Yeah, or like we make like a beach buggy or something.
Oh yeah. The only thing is, I need the diff from the gearbox.
Oh, you find another one.
Yeah, true.
Chucking a beach buggy.
Yeah, but this is a clean motor, 120,000 Ks. If you got 5 grand, hit me up.
I know what we've got.
Yeah, exactly. It's even got the wrinkle paint and all.
Yeah. 12 valve.
Yeah.
Mate,
That's fancy stuff.
you don't see many 12 valves. Oh, well.
Oh, that was a good little day all in all.
That was me.
Yeah.
Give it
A little
Ghost
1-2.
descended off.
Yeah. To the moon.
And it does.
Keep going. Keep going.
There we go. I mean, it's making some different noises.
Yeah. It's not as happy as when we first got it. Oh. Oh.
Mate.
Good end to a good car. Or not end.
Not in, so yeah.
Oh, hope you can hear us.
Oh, thanks for letting me drive it, bro.
No worries
That
at
was
all.
sick. That was sick.
Thanks for the work.
Nah, all good, all good.
That was a blast.
Oh, I don't want to see it go, but I do at the same time.
Yeah, it's one of those things. It's not broken, so you don't
Yeah.
want to get rid of it
And
yet.
it's still
but-
really fun.
Yeah.
I
sort of.
We'll keep pondering ideas. If
yeah,
you guys
yeah.
have any ideas, hit us up in the
The
comments.
new motors, the hub boost is going to be way better anyway, so.
Oh, it's going to be beyond nuts.
That'll be sick.
And hopefully easy-ish.
Yeah, wow. In our heads it sounds easy.
Yeah, I got a plan. Any
that
input
pump's
on
still
that,
going.
that would be handy. Oh, yeah. Man, she's off. She's off. Smells warm.
Yeah, so we've got a plan.
Yeah.
Good.
Any input there would be handy
Yeah,
too,
if
because
anyone,
obviously
like,
we haven't
knows.
built it yet,
Yeah.
and we're building it with you guys, so any input would be great input.
Muchly appreciated.
Yeah.
Sweet. Alright.
Alright.
Mate,
Hope you guys enjoyed. Later.
Well,
We're in a new place.
we're in a new place. Different shed. Cool drifty stuff. And we're getting another new car. Two.
Two new cars.
Yeah.
One will keep.
Yeah. One will keep. One's got some like nice bits and pieces on it, but it's crashed. So we're gonna take both. I'll show you them in a second.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take both, strip all the good stuff out of the crashed one, and then take that one to the scrapping and get rid of all the stuff we don't need. But might as well show you. I'll show you the first one. I'll show you the second one once, the crashed one once it's back out from under the tarp. But yeah.
Cefero, baby.
Full cage. Not bad, not bad. Pretty good. So yeah, we're just going to do a little bit of work to it, as you can see. I think it was crashed in this front corner. The other one was crashed in the other front corner, so hopefully we can do some sort of cut and work that all out. And then it's got a front bar here, just got to figure out the positioning and where that goes on the front. And then yeah, I don't think I'm going to put an RB back in it though. I'm thinking.
Don't want to be traditional.
Nah, I want to get like the old 3.8, never late, mate.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Slapping a massive turbo on it.
Yeah.
Seeing how that goes.
Interesting.
So yeah.
T5 box.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then go drifting in that. So
That would be cheap.
yeah, it would be cheap as.
Yeah,
If we
yeah.
blow it up, it'll just be cheap to get another one.
Exactly.
So yeah. Oh,
That's
we're gonna load this up on the trailer, get it over to my place, and then we'll show you the crashed one. I ain't got no in. Maybe
Yeah. Looks so good on this side.
Yeah.
And then you walk around and it's like, eek.
Not so good.
No.
Bits on it, right?
Yeah, bits for sure.
Mint bits that we'll use, like the kit.
Yeah, the kit, that bumper's good. Those lights are
You always
good.
use the boot.
Emblems. Yeah, boot lid.
Windows.
Because it doesn't have holes.
And they've got the bro stickers all over them. So
Yeah, that's cool. Maintain that. Even these little side windows.
yeah. Just the mirror tints look sick in general.
Oh yeah. Wow.
Show them the front corner.
Yeah, there's some speed behind that crash. That's attached just by the shock itself. No steering rack, nothing. Everything's been ripped out of itself. Chassis splitting everywhere.
Yeah, everything that's holding that wheel on is just a shock.
But that shock tower over there is good, and that's the one we need.
That's
So,
what we need, so yeah.
beauty.
So, yeah. There's some good bits in it. Some seats, steering wheel, hydro, body kit.
Get rid of the interior maybe.
Yeah.
See.
Me. Oh, mate, you gotta watch our YouTube. I don't even know what it's called. Oh, Bad Fab.